Hi guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm gonna interior detail the dashboard on the M235i with the new product that I got from Chemical Guys. This is the Chemical Guys Inner Clean. So I never used this product before, so at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you my opinion if it's a good one. So now let's get started. So here are the materials that we need today. A 3-piece interior detailing brush from Simonize. Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer, 2 microfiber towel, 1 to wipe down the dirt, and the second one to apply the Chemical Guys Inner Clean. So now you're gonna check out this Chemical Guys Inner Clean. So the Chemical Guy Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer, it's an all-purpose surface cleaner. And it also gives you a UV protections. See, not only it cleans, but it gives you the protection of the UV. So that's good to protect your dash from cracking and fading. So it's good for dashboard, door panels, and steering wheel. So this is easy to apply. All you have to do is wipe down your dash. Make sure you take out all the dirt before you apply this, and that's it. Once you applied it, it's gonna clean it and protect at the same time. So I'm gonna show you the before the Chemical Guy Inner Clean application. See how dirty my door panel is, see? And on the dash, you can see how dirty that is. Look at that. I can even write my name on it. Lots of dirt. There's a stain there. Another stain there. So this is the second, the passenger side door panel. See, there's a lot of dirt. You can see the vents there.
trying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, got me feeling.
So this is what I think about the Chemical Guys Inner Clean. It's a pretty good cleaner. I can tell right away when I was doing a pass inside the interior that it's getting cleaned right away. Plus, it doesn't give you that shiny slick finish like the Armor All. So you still have that matte finish on your dash and then your doors or any panels inside the interior of the car. The good thing about this is you get the UV protection, so it protects your dash from fading and also cracking from the sun. If you park your car outside, it gives you a good UV protection, so that's a plus. So the only thing I don't like about this is when you use this and you don't use gloves, it's gonna leave a yellow stain on your finger because this chemical is yellow. And also you can feel the alcohol content on your finger when you touch it because it's kind of it's pretty aggressive on as a cleaner. So that's the only thing I can say about this Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So please, I have more DIYs and mods coming soon, so please subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.